Well, here we go, my lovelies. Just as I promised you yesterday, I'm showing you the inside of the cake. This is a chocolate marble pound cake. Southern style because it has pecans if you're from the south, pecans if you're from the north. Luscious. And I wished I had the cake in here to show you the texture and the shape of the pan. Many people have just desired the pan. The pan is so beautiful. We're going to walk quickly over here. I'm going to show you what's going on for dinner. We're having some lamb chops with the bones in, the lamb loin, and the lamb shank. I mean, delicious. Delicious. Look at that. Yummy. If you're from the South, you remember when Grandmama and Big Mama boiled the cabbage, and they always put potatoes, new potatoes I might add. They boiled them on top after the cabbage were basically done, and you had that wonderful, wonderful taste throughout the potato. Just wonderful. Over here, I'm from the South. This is corn that's picked fresh out of the garden. Hasn't been frozen. Just picked yesterday. Delicious. Still cooking. But it is going to be really, really great. Now, I purposely didn't cook any bread today because every now and then I have to watch my weight. I don't eat everything I cook, but still it has a tendency to add up, and we don't want to go to that place. Want you to continue to please like and share and follow these videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Actually, I need 1,000 of you to do that. That seems like a lot, but if you share it, if you're enjoying what Big Mama and Grandmama taught me, it would be your desire, because I'm here cooking like they did. I'm reminding you of them constantly. Even the cake, the butter in the cake. And I can so vividly remember one of my friends telling me, girl, your chocolate is perfect every time. I don't have the cake in here to show. I'm going to walk in here. I'm going to walk into this room just to show you the cake. I'm going to walk in here, pop this light on, and show you the cake. There it is. Look at that right there. You know what? I think it was worth the trip. I think it was worth me coming. You see the yellow endings of the sides of the cake? Over there, you're going to be greeted with the chocolate. It's swirled all the way through. And the butter is to die for. This buttercream frosting and fresh. As I say, if you're from the South, you say pecans. If you're from the North, you say pecans. Whatever, they're delicious. So I want you to bless me. Let you see this food one more beautiful time. I want you to bless me by please following me so I can get that 1,000. And also just think about your Big Mama. I'll be back with more hair tips. I give you words of wisdom, words of inspiration, words of encouragement to live by. One more look at this. Oh my God. I just wish you were here. Wish you could smell it. Have a wonderful day. Happy July 4th. If I don't get back with you, I'm going to try. But if I don't, happy July 4th. God bless you. I love you tremendously. That's the dishes that need to be washed. Please like and share and follow these reels. God bless.